Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are going to be making aubergine sauce, eggplant sauce, and I'm going to be twisting it a bit. So we are going to be eating it with white yam. But meanwhile, let me run you through the ingredients so that you get right into the video. For this, we are going to be making use of frozen yam. You can use fresh yam direct from the market. I have some fresh tomatoes, aubergine, some rosemary and thyme. I will also be making use of salt, seasoning cube, onion, eggs. Guys, this onion is the last onion in my house. Not being around made me not to know when foodstuffs are already finished. But yeah, we move. I got some chili pepper over there as well, which I forgot to show you. So I'll just be throwing in the yam into the water. I will break it up so that it will cook evenly. Then I cover it and prepare the vegetables before cooking it. I'm not cooking it yet. I want to prepare the vegetables so that I will add aubergine to it before cooking it. You know how I love my onion, but yeah, I don't know that Toby has used almost all the onion in the house, remaining only this one for me. I just noticed it now that I'm about to make use of it. I would have bought another one, but yeah, we move. So I will prepare the tomatoes as well and the aubergine. I will just cut it into smaller cubes. Then I noticed that this aubergine, I think it has spoiled. Wanted to make use of it and I think it's rotten. Compare it with this one. See how pure white this one looks. So I will be discarding this. I will not make use of it again. So the other aubergine, I will be adding it into the pot of yam. Add some salt, cover and cook for 10 minutes. Once it's 10 minutes or once you notice the aubergine is tender, you start bringing it out from the yam. Depending on how you cut your yams might be done by now. Mine is already soft, as you can see. I will gently decant the water and move on with the sauce. On a clean pan, add in your vegetable oil. Use any vegetable oil of your choice. I will allow it to heat up while mashing the aubergine or the eggplant, just like so. You can use fork to mash yours because it's tender now. It will not take too much energy to do that. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Please make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell to all so that you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up as well. Once I'm done mashing it and the oil has heated up, I will first throw in some rosemary and I will follow it up with some thyme. There is this aroma that comes out when frying rosemary and thyme. Then I will add some onion to it and saute it for almost a minute or till the onion is pale or translucent. Then after that, I will add in the tomatoes. If you're using fresh pepper, bell pepper, you can add it now. But yeah, I'm making use of chili pepper, dry chili pepper today. Stir and add your pepper. Allow to fry, then stir it after a minute so it doesn't burn. Add your seasoning cube. I'm making use of half a seasoning cube because this seasoning cube contains a lot of salt. So I will be adding the aubergine now. Forget about the color of this aubergine after cooking it. Trust me, this tastes so good. So I will stir it and allow it to continue frying with the tomato sauce. I will test for salt to make sure that everything is okay before adding the eggs. Please, adding the eggs is optional, but yeah, why not? We are trying to eat healthy, incorporate some protein into the food. So, since it's eggplant, why not add some egg to it? Real eggs. So I will stir it and it's coming together. And after the egg are well fried, I will take it out and dish it out with some yams. Remember, you can eat this with rice, you can eat this with potato, with some plantains, not only with yams. Hope you try this out, guys. A trial will convince you. The food is ready, guys. You are welcome to join me. Let's devour this yam and aubergine sauce. Let me show you how to eat it. This is yam. Then I will take some of the sauce, put it on it. Oh my god, hope it's still not hot. Don't want to burn my tongue. Go. You can have this first bite. Hmm. 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 Guys, you need to try this out. The combo is superb. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe till I come your way again. Remain blessed. Let me go and sit down and deliberate this food.